Perfect. Ever done hyperlapse, and which way you put your camera means the world? If you put it right side up, meaning like this, with the Action 3 logo facing correctly that you can read, that means you're doing a good job. But if you're holding it upside down or mounting it upside down to your windshield, like I'm holding it upside down right now, I don't think that's a great way of doing things with an Action 3. But who am I to tell you which way to mount your camera? And that's why we all do tests. So I did a test right side up and upside down. I got no clue if it's right or wrong, because I'm out here riding along and I don't see anything happening until I go home and look at it. Oh, I could sit here and I could look on the playback of the Osmo 3, or I could look on the smartphone, but I'd rather look on a computer. This has been a well-known issue since day one of the Action 3, and yet, are they going to fix that gyro? Not at all. Some people have issues going this way, left and right, and some of us got issues going up and down. Maybe some of us got it all around. Well, we don't have any control of rock steady horizon balance at all. So that's all that's doing. Because on Hyperlapse, you only have the choice of 4K or a lower resolution, and it does it automatically in rock steady and chooses what it wants to do. So that's all software. When you gonna fix this, DJI? We're all waiting for that fix. We got room vacation shots. Well, I'm Fish, and I'll tell you like it is. It is what it is, man. What are you gonna do? Cry over spilt milk? On that note...